Dance. Boom, 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 boom. Hey, hey. I don't even know if y'all can hear the music, but oh, roll it back, roll it back. Oh, oh, oh.
Oh, who's doing that?
But anywho, hi everybody. I hope everybody's having a very happy holidays and everything is going well with everyone. I had a few people hit me up like, "Where are you and why you not doing no videos, child?" You know what I'm saying? I ain't got no excuse. I just like I told somebody I have like beat loggers block or something. But I just had to come on and try to make some videos and wish everybody a happy, 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 happy holidays. I hope everything is going well for everybody.
Merry Christmas.
And that's my nephew. Say hello and snag it to yourself. But well, I'm actually at a family gathering. I came home for my mother's birthday, and we're just kind of waiting for the party to jump off here. So I was on the computer. I said, why not just make a quick video to all my supporters and everybody out there, all my friends, all my YouTube friends, and everybody. Um, I'm gonna try to make some videos. I'm not even gonna promise because y'all know I've been MIA since True Blood when I was Lord. But again, like I told y'all, I'm always on Twitter. Like I always have my phone. It's always handy. So I always have my phone. So you know what I'm saying? Don't wait. Hold on, you in my shot. You messing up my shine now. You messing up my shine. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, you know, you guys, it's not I want no kids. Look bad. Just bad for no reason. I love you. I'm playing. That's a joke. That's a joke. And this is my niece coming. Like I said, I'm at a family gathering. Say hello. Say hello to everybody. Tell everybody Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas and
You can
Happy
make our
New
face like
Year's.
that.
Hopefully, I'm not gonna be gone that long. Hopefully, I come do some videos. I get some inspiration from somewhere to do some kind of something. I don't actually have time to like look up like the Vampire Diaries and things that people wanted me to do. Again, I work like 2 jobs. Look at them in the background. Just goodness. Oh my gosh. Anyways, ooh girl, please check, you know, get out of my spotlight, okay? Get out of my spotlight. Anyways, again, I just want to wish everybody a happy holidays, and I haven't forgot about y'all or anything like that, and hope everything is going well with everybody. I hope everybody is, you know, good. And I don't know what that is, but you messing in my shot. Anyway, what I was saying, this is my last. This is why I be doing videos by myself. You understand? See how they all up in my get out my neck. You know what I'm saying? They my niece and my nephew, and I love them. But Lord, I'm trying to get with y'all. You know, I don't know why I decided to do this with my family in the background. Y'all probably hear everything. But anyways, I love everybody. Again, I hope everybody has a very, 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 very Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. I hope your Thanksgiving was great. And I'll try to get some inspiration from somewhere to do some kind of video because I know I've been gone. So I just want to upload this real quick and just, you know, let everybody know I'm still around. You know, follow me on Twitter. It's a lot of y'all that I talk to on Twitter all the time. So just hit me up if y'all want to see me do a video on something. Again, I don't have time to kind of catch up on the Vampire Diaries and things like that. But anywho, if you want to see me do anything else, just hello. Y'all want to sing Jingle Bells? Here you go. 1, 2, 3. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. And we dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. On the field we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a I messed them lyrics up. Anyway, everybody have a good one. Hope y'all got a good laugh out of that. Anyway, say bye, y'all.
Bye.